Skulta Eye Mask is marketed as a soothing eye care device that supposedly relieves tired eyes and helps users feel refreshed after long days of screen time. But the real question is, does it actually relieve tired eyes, or is it another wellness gadget with exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, eye masks can genuinely provide comfort, whether through warmth, gentle pressure, or simply blocking out light. Many people find them relaxing and beneficial as part of a rest routine. What it does well may provide temporary relief for tired eyes. The warmth and relaxation can help soothe eyes that feel fatigued after reading, working, or using screens. Could help users relax. Many people find eye masks calming, especially when used before bed or during breaks, where the hype falls apart. It does not treat underlying eye problems. This is the biggest issue. An eye mask cannot correct vision issues, eye diseases, or chronic medical conditions. Relief is usually temporary. Most benefits last only for a short period after use. Marketing often exaggerates therapeutic claims. Claims about dramatically improving eye health or permanently eliminating eye strain should be viewed cautiously. So, does Skulta Eye Mask actually relieve tired eyes? Short answer. It may provide temporary comfort and relaxation, but it is unlikely to solve the root causes of eye fatigue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.